So I wanted to show you the backbone of the Varden vertical garden and living wall system. This one piece of wire or other sizes that we have are the backbone of everything. So these can be repeated on a giant wall, or you can just use one, such as our Varden 36 vertical garden kit. It's welded wire, welded at the junctions, galvanized, 6-inch by 6-inch opening, and it's very easy to attach this to a wall, a post, a structure, and it's designed to work together with our Varden tray. Our Varden tray is injection molded plastic, and it's got hands on the top and feet on the bottom. And the hands and feet go over the wire, the hands go over the wire, and then the feet snap in. So the tray can't come off up and down or side to side. Pretty ingenious, and this can be repeated in any size.